Let's quickly look into the 11th March newspaper. Here, the first article is about CEC, Chief Election Commissioner. So let's discuss about Election Commission, Election Commissioner, and so on. Election Commission comes under Article 324 of the Constitution. Appointment. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner? Appointed by President. Who are the members of the committee? Chief Election Commissioner, and at present 2 election commissioners. Chief Election Commissioner is mandatory. This is decided by President. At present we have 2 election commissioners. As of today there is only Chief Election Commissioner because one retired. One election commissioner resigned yesterday. So we have at present only Chief Election Commissioner. These two maybe will be appointed soon. What is the qualification? There is no qualification mentioned. Generally, they will be IAS officers. Condition of service. Condition of service are decided by the President of India. And they can't be changed to their advantage. This condition of service is not mentioned in Constitution. It is decided by President. Next, it is actually mentioned in Election Commission Conditions of Service of Election Commission Transaction of Business Act 1991. It is not important, but it is not mentioned in the Constitution. This is important. What is the salary of Election Commissioner? It is similar to Supreme Court Judge. Remember, not CJI, Supreme Court Judge. Election Commissioner is equal to CEC salary is equal to Supreme Court Judge salary. What is the term? Term of the members is 6 years or up till the time 65 years of age. Removal. How are they removed? Chief Election Commissioner removal is similar to that of Supreme Court Judge. How is Election Commissioner removed? Firstly, Election Commissioner removal has to be recommended by Chief Election Commissioner. So, it is not similar to Chief Election Commissioner removal. There is an recommendation that it has to be similar to the in the lines of CEC. What are the functions of Election Commissioner and a Chief Election Commissioner? Preparing voter list, revising electoral rolls, to fix election schedule. You need to remember this. That's all about Election Commission and Election Commissioner, Chief Election Commissioner. Okay, let's move on to other topic. Yesterday, India signed free trade agreement with 4 European countries. Which are the countries? Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. Okay, and the trade and economic partnership agreement recently, this was also signed, marks the second such full-fledged FTA signed after the India agreement with UAE. Okay. Other article, Kuno National Park. Where is Kuno National Park? It is in Madhya Pradesh. Remember this. There are other 12 national parks in Madhya Pradesh. What are they? There is a big list. I'll just show you the list. This is the map of Madhya Pradesh. We have Dinosaur Fossil National Park, Dinosaur Fossil National Park, Vanvihar National Park, Satpura National Park near Satpura Range, Kanha National Park. Remember, this passes through Narmada River. Okay. Next, there is Panna National Park, Panna Biosphere Reserve, Panchmari Biosphere Reserve, Bandhavargar, I don't know how to spell this properly. This national park, Plant Fossil National Park, and Sanjay National Park. The whole Sanjay National Park and Guru Ghasidas National Park is one only, but it is given different names because this is in Chhattisgarh and this is in Madhya Pradesh. Remember this, Sanjay National Park is in Madhya Pradesh, Guru Ghasidas National Park is in Chhattisgarh. There is also one other national park, Pench National Park, which I have marked here. There are totally 12 national parks. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to other topic. I'm only discussing the prelims topics. Okay. Jal Jeevan National Park. Sorry, Jal Jeevan Mission. What is this Jal Jeevan Mission? One second. Okay. Jal Jeevan Mission has been started in 2019. As per this, 55 liters of water is given per person per day. Remember this. This is for 2019. This is for rural household. To rural household through what is this? FHTC. Okay, this is funding household tap connection. Okay. This the target is to have 100% tap connections in rural areas by 2024 this year. This is by Ministry of Jal Shakti. This is a centrally sponsored scheme. What is sponsored scheme? Total amount is not by central government. Okay, state governments will also take part in this. So if here 50 is to 50, like 1 is to 1. If 100 rupees is given by central government, then 100 rupees is also given by state government. This is for states. For union territories, it is 100% by union territories. The total cost will be given by central government. For Himalayan states and northeastern states, it is 90 is to 10. Okay. Now, another mission has been given in 2021 budget, 2021 budget, that is Jal Jeevan Mission Urban. This is by Ministry of Housing of Urban Affairs. Electoral bonds here, electoral bonds is in news because has been in news since days because in 2018 there has been a electoral bonds have been introduced. As per this, electoral bonds have to be will be given to people who purchase them. Like they have to purchase from State Bank of India in the Delhi branch only. So there has been an issue with this because the power that is at the center will have a upper hand in this because they can inquire who is funding opposition party, and there is always a chance of misuse of power. So in 2004, on 2014 February 15 2014 24, sorry, Supreme Court declared that electoral bond scheme is unconstitutional. Let's read this. This was a scheme which opened the floodgates of unlimited anonymous funding of political parties and consolidated the role of big money in the Indian political system. So this is the problem. Okay, let's move on to the topic. Campaign elections are approaching, right? So there will be always a topic in the news about related to elections. So this is not much important. Just read Election Commission from Polity, whichever book you refer from. There's a topic introducing a new toll collection. I think this is not that important, but we need to read for interview. For interview, it is important, and also for mains, this could be important. Let's see this. I found this interesting. This is a case by Supreme Court judgment. Sorry, this is SS Danova versus Union of India. What did Supreme Court state? We can use this in mains. Said one person at a helm of the powerful pole body was against the tenets of democratic rule. What is this about? Election Commission. Now we have only one person heading the biggest institution, which is a very, very important institution which upholds the democratic rules, democracy of the country. That is the Chief Election Commission. We only have Chief Election Commissioner, only one person. Uh, one election commissioner resigned and one election commissioner retired. That is why Supreme Court gave this statement. This can be written in Main answers. Report turns spotlight on India's zero-food children. This is something interesting. You can, if you want to, you can pick some points, but I don't think we can remember many points. We already prepare many points for hunger and so on. If at all, before meals, we can just Google if there are any report released. Okay. Next, golden language in India. Mm, see this? To golden language covers the Manas Biosphere Reserve and all fragment parts of western parts of Assam. Okay. Show you this golden language. Here it is. I was a part of Shivan sir's course, so this is Shivan sir's map. As studied, golden langur is found in Assam. This is Assam, so it is found in Assam. Golden langur, as it is written in red, it is endangered animal.